beginning with Elder Wike, Fayose, Senator Samuel Anyalu, Honorable Umar Bature, Adeni Ajibade, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Senator Mao, Honorable Austin Wachiku, Abraham Ama, George Dana, Chief Dan Obi, with the expulsion as per the motion read heavily by our elder statesman, citing our constitutional provisions as enumerated. That is Chief Olabode George, and heavily seconded by my chairman, Sis Adamu Bunga. Those in support of this motion say aye. Those against
the chapter. Hereby is upon the motion moved by our elder statesman, Chief Olabode George. I hereby support the motion.
Of our party, the PDP. And I will plead with you to listen very attentively, because if we don't tell the truth, we are wasting our time. We want to inform the Nigerian public that this party hasn't collapsed. This party is a political iroko tree. And the iroko tree doesn't fall anyhow. Motion the expulsion of the following persons from the People's Democratic Party for anti-party activities and gross breaches of the party's constitution, pursuant to Article 10, subsection 6 and 58, subsection 1, and 59 of the PDP Constitution as amended in 2007. At the elective convention of this People's Democratic Party held at Ibadan, Fayose State on the 15th and 16th of November 2025. The following members: His Excellency Wike, His Excellency Fayose, Senator Samuel Anyalu, Honorable Umar Batuku, Adeyemi Ajibade SAN, Muhammad Abdurrahman, Senator Mao Ohabua, Honorable Austin Wachuku, Abraham George Turner, and Chief Dan Obi. Whereas Article 33, Section 2, Subsection 1, Subsection 3J of the People's Democratic Party, Constitution of the 7th as amended, the National Convention of the party shall have supremacy in all matters pertaining and all organs of the party, including matters of discipline of officers and members. Whereas it is important to underscore the fundamental principle that a political party is a voluntary organization and members are expected to join if they so wish. And as explained in our Constitution, Section 40, as amended, and are to be bound by its fundamental principles and aspirations as expressed in its Constitution. Mentioned above have committed various breaches of the party's constitution, including support and canvassing for vote for candidates of election, conducting illegal and parallel congresses, sponsoring litigations against the party, both recent of which suit number C ABJ CS 2120 dated 2025 between Honorable Austin Wachuku and others versus INEC and others seeking to stop the 2025 elective national convention for no just cause, contrary to Article 58, subsection 1 and subsection J of our Constitution. In that case, Senator Amundel Ayawu, Ebu Umar Bature, Kamal Din Adeyemi Ajibade,